You want to look out? You better jump up. Got the window cat here. This is one of her favorite windows. What's that there? Are you a baby? Yeah, you are.